Hey DIYers, today is one of those days when my craft room is going to have some odors. I'm creating resin Christmas ornaments, and because it's cold outside, I don't want to leave the windows open in my craft room. Instead, I'm going to use my respirator and my Levoit air purifier right by my project. I thought it would be nice to share with all of you how I deal with craft and pet odors in my craft room. Here's the deal. I am a mad scientist in the craft room. I work with resins and two-part plastics a lot. I often melt plastics, I burn the edges of things, and use smelly industrial glues, spray glues, and oil-based paints. And because of all of this experimenting, my craft room smells, and it can give me quite a headache. I've used other air purifiers before, but now that my craft room is twice the size, I needed something bigger and more powerful. Not only will this keep my projects dirt and dust free, it helps eliminate the resin odors so I don't get a headache, and it keeps my craft room smelling fresh. Because of what I do, I generally keep pets out of the craft room, but if you have pets and pet hair problems, this is for you. This particular unit works in spaces up to 1,900 square feet. And you can lower the noise for sleeping or for filming like I do. It captures up to 99.99% of viruses and bacteria, which is great when the nephews and nieces are hanging out with me in the craft room and they have the sniffles. And finally, here's what I love the most. The filter is washable. Are you ready? Let's make some resin ornaments. Atelier is another word for creative space, studio interior, or art studio space. A common misconception is that not everyone is creative, but this assumption is wrong. Creativity is often defined as the ability to come up with new and useful ideas, a trait that everyone shares. Creativity helps you problem solve better, helps with communication, and can help you adapt to change more easily. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video. Leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Mark Montano. I would love to see you there. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you real soon. Bye.